Good morning. Come take a walk with me. Let's go look at some birds, wildlife that all surround and utilize this beautiful property. This will be fun to see what's inside the birdhouse, as it is intended for eastern screech owls, which it has already fledged this season. And that great crested flycatcher, hey, was sitting there. This is a flycatcher's nest. Let's see if we have any eggs yet. Sure do. So a great crested flycatcher in process of nesting. Across the lake, hiding in the coconut palm, is an osprey. Watching the lake for its next meal. Better watch out for this guy. This is a black-necked stilt who just came off of a nest, which is right here. I'm not so certain that's the safest place to be, my friend, because our water levels are soon to rise with the expecting rainfall that you see in the distance.
You are so beautiful.
Thanks for taking a moment to look at some birds and other wildlife that surround and utilize this property. Take care.